So that is how you portion your meals for either weight loss or weight gain. Like I always say, it's not about the food. If you are gaining weight, it's because you are either eating too much of a certain food or you're not cooking it right. But there's absolutely no reason to cut out any particular food. So whether it's rice or bread or swallow or whatever it is that you enjoy eating, you can still enjoy them as long as you're able to portion them and cook them the smart way. So if you're tired of doing trial and error, we can help you remove all the guesswork by helping you create your own customized meal plan that will ensure you're eating the right amount of calories on a daily basis for your specific fitness goal, whether it's weight loss, whether it's weight gain, maintenance, putting your health condition as well into consideration. Now, I know you think that bread is the problem, but do you know how many calories are in what you are spreading on the bread? Some of them have more calories than the bread itself. Let's start with good old butter. Now, each tablespoon is about 100 calories, but yet some of you want to do sardine and bread combo. You'll be packing the butter as if no, it's not money you used to buy it. Or you want to make toast, butter the front, butter the back. By the time you are done, the calories in the butter is more than the calories in the sliced bread that you are toasting. Then we have the classic peanut butter. For every tablespoon that you spread, you're spreading 90 calories. So let's assume that you do 1 tablespoon per slice of bread, and you do 3 slices of bread. That would be 240 calories for the bread. But for the peanut butter, 276. Of course, we cannot forget mayonnaise. Each tablespoon, 102 calories. So for every slice of bread, that's 80 calories, and you spread 102. But you say bread is the problem. Okay. And last but not least, we have jam. Now, so many of you will be expecting the numbers of this to be so high, because I mean, it's really sweet. But guess what? This is just about 56 calories per tablespoon. Still relatively high, but not as high as the ones we just talked about before. Now, I'm definitely not disagreeing with the fact that you do have to watch your portions of the bread, but you also have to watch your portions of the other things that you're eating with it. Because if not, they might be the very things that are making you over-consume calories when you keep blaming bread. Now, none of these foods are taboos. None of them are unhealthy. But how you consume them, in what quantity, how you combine them, is what will determine whether they will harm your health or help you improve your health. It will determine whether you will gain weight or you will lose weight. So if you're tired of doing guesswork and wondering how to go about balancing it all, simply DM or comment the word plan so we can help you create your customized meal plan to give you all the specifics, all the details, so you can stop wondering what to do.